Welcome friends, I am Dr. S. Megla, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Now I am going to talk about mushroom diseases. Mushrooms are also affected adversely by a large number of biotic and abiotic agents. Among the biotic agents, fungi, bacteria, virus, nematodes and insects cause damage to mushroom directly or indirectly. Many bacterial and fungal agents cause the diseases to mushroom and reduce both qualitatively and quantitatively. Improper pasteurizations of compost and casting soil can be the major sources of disease. First one, fungal disease. A number of harmful fungi are encountered in compost and casing soil during the cultivations of white button mushroom. Many of these act as competitor molds, thereby adversely affecting spawn run, whereas others attack the fruit bodies at various stages of grape growth, producing distinct disease symptoms. At times, there is complete graft failure depending upon the stages of infections, quality of compost and environmental condition. First one, dry bubble disease caused by Verticillium fungicola. Symptoms, brown spot appear on the cap of fruiting body. Control, high humidity favor the fungal growth. So by reducing humidity to 80 to 85 percentage and temperature 14 degrees Celsius, we can reduce the disease. Second, wet bubble disease caused by Mycocone perniciosa. Symptom, surface of mushroom covered by white felt of mycelium and emit foul smelling. Foul means having an unpleasant odor. Control, disinfecting harvesting tools and sterilization of soil if it is used. Third, mildew disease caused by Glaudoboterium species. Symptoms, grayish white mycelium of pathogen develop on fruiting body completely. Control, disinfection of casing materials and maintaining hygienic condition. Fourth one, Apnocladium caused by Apnocladium album. Symptom, gills tissues are commonly affected. Brown spots are developed. Under high humidity, it became grayish white. Second, bacterial diseases. The bacterial pathogens which produce recognizable symptoms and cause significant graft losses. The expression of disease symptoms in mushroom depends upon the stage of development of the fruit body at the time of infection and cause of the disease potential present. First one, brown blotches disease caused by Pseudomonas dolosi. Symptom, brown blotches on developing mushroom fruiting body. Control, maintain dry condition for 1 or 2 hours can eliminate the pathogen. Second, mummy disease caused by Pseudomonas species. Symptom, stalk is bent and tilted cap. Tilted means caused to move into a sloping position. Dense growth of mycelium around the base of the stalk. Control, maintaining hygienic conditions. Third one, trapezial disease caused by Pseudomonas agaricea. Symptoms, damage the gill tissues, appearance of dark brown round spots on gills. Control, disinfection of casting materials. Thank you.